Hello out there in YouTube land. We are here today to do a taste test. I've been around the world and I've tasted many barbecue sauces. But I've heard a rumor about this new sauce called RonJoes Famous BBQ sauce. So I just finished doing a country style rib on my barbecue. And I've gone ahead and have cut a little piece here, and I've poured a little sauce in the dish. And we're going to do a comparative test to all those other sauces I taste. So this sauce, compared to all these others, will be sampled right here today, and I will let you know the outcome. Here we go. A little tangy. Got a little bit of bite to it. I need a little more. Not bad. I prefer my sauce a little sweeter. If you like a hot barbecue sauce, this is probably more your style. But compared to these others here, I would rate this on the scale of with the others here, about halfway. So we're sitting at a 5. But don't let me be the judge. You judge Ron's Famous BBQ sauce. Thank you very much.